Well, sometimes when we create a document in Excel, we also want to enter Excel data contained in another file. Actually, we can definitely copy the data contained in the sheet in another Excel file to be included in the Excel file we are creating, but the column and row settings will be exposed or not follow the settings in the previous file. To move an Excel sheet to another Excel file, the method is very easy. First, open the Excel file that we need for the sheet transfer process, then right-click the mouse on the sheet to be moved. Then select Move or Copy. After that, in the To Book section, select the destination Excel file from the sheet you want to move. Then determine whether you want to move the sheet or just copy the sheet. If you want to make a copy of it in the old Excel file, check Create a Copy. However, if you want to permanently move the desired sheet, you don't need to check the Create a Copy section. After that, friends, click OK, and the sheet will automatically appear in the new Excel file. How easy, right? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all friends. See you in the next video.